Top 5 Best 3D Printer. Number 5. Creality Ender 3. Reasons to buy. High quality components. Easy to work with. Reasons to avoid. Open chassis. Can be loud. The Ender line of 3D printers are known for their excellent performance at a comparatively low cost, and the Ender 3 is a fine example of this. At less than £200 you'd be forgiven for thinking it's Black Friday all year round. Creality has somehow managed to get some top quality components into the Ender 3 too. They now come in kit form as well, which might be off-putting for some, but it actually gives you a solid understanding of how the printer works, and can help with troubleshooting, if any issues do arise. Coming in number 4. ELEGOO Mars 2 Pro. Reasons to buy. Excellent print quality for cost. Fast at 1 to 2 seconds per layer. Reasons to avoid. Small build volume. Fumes can be unpleasant. ELEGOO is a relatively new name on the 3D printing scene, but the original Mars printer made a great impression on the creative community. The Mars 2 Pro builds on this success by making it bigger and faster. The new 6-inch screen bakes a layer in less than 2 seconds, without losing clarity or blurring layers, making it one of the fastest resin printers money can buy. For quick prototypes you can't beat it, so long as you don't need larger objects, as the only real downside to the Mars 2 Pro is the smaller build volume and a hint of smelly fumes, which is common with this type of printer. Coming in number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono. Reasons to buy. Excellent levels of detail. Smooth surface finish. Reasons to avoid. Heady fumes can be overpowering. Resin isn't cheap. ANYCUBIC's Photon Mono SE is a great choice if you are into making custom toys, collectibles or figures, as the detail and surface quality it produces are fantastic. Like other mono-screened printers, the photo is also fast, taking just a second or so for each layer. The resin can be a bit stinky, but you can always print yourself an extraction adapter and use a length of tumble dryer hose. All in all, the smell is a small sacrifice for the output of this machine, which really is quite something for the price. Coming in number 2. ANYCUBIC Vyper. Reasons to buy. Self-leveling bed included. Excellent levels of detail. Good print speeds. Reasons to avoid. Some assembly needed. When it comes to FDM printers, the ANYCUBIC Vyper is our pick of the bunch. It's not as pricey as some ANYCUBIC printers, but comes equipped with features you won't find on some of those more expensive options. This printer produces prints with detail and clarity, all with minimum noise or fuss. The heated, self-leveling print bed is a great feature, but add to that the spring steel magnetic sheet that helps you to remove the print, and you are on to an absolute winner. Coming in number 1. Ultimaker S3. The best for all-round general 3D printing duties. Reasons to buy. Dual extruders make life easy. Excellent, heated, self-leveling build platform. Reasons to avoid. Not the cheapest option. Louder than some other printers. Ultimaker printers come in a range of sizes, and all have different capabilities, but the Ultimaker 3 is the one we've chosen for this list of the best 3D printers. It has most of the desirable features of its bigger siblings, including dual extruders and a choice of various nozzle sizes. This means you can print models that are otherwise problematic, using a PVA support print that washes off in water. Genius! It also has a progress camera, a wonderful touch screen interface, and is solidly built. If you need a bigger build volume, go for the extended version, which is only slightly more expensive.